In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the mass airflow sensor in your Nissan Rogue located in your air intake tube. With the hood open, we're going to use a 10mm wrench to go ahead and loosen this nut and disconnect the ground terminal off of our battery. And just go ahead and twist it off to the side. So let's go ahead and disconnect the electrical connector here. There's a little spring clip on there. Just going to pinch that and pull that off. You can go ahead and use a small pair of pliers if you'd like. You just want to be careful not to damage this. And pull that off. We want to go ahead and use our number 7 socket, a deep socket, to go ahead and remove these here. Remove one screw, set that aside. We have our second screw out, we'll set that aside. And just grab that sensor here and we're going to pull that straight up and out. Go ahead and take that sensor and align that up. Work that down inside. We're going to get our screws installed by hand first, then we'll snug those down. Now we have the back screw in, we'll go ahead and install the front one. Now if you want, you can go ahead and use a Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and snug these screws down. Or you can use your ratchet and socket. Go ahead and take your connector, line that up, press it on. You're going to feel it and hear it snap into place. Wipe down the negative terminal. Go ahead and grab that. Hook up that wire, and using our 10mm wrench, go ahead and tighten down that nut. Be careful not to over tighten this, you can ruin the terminal. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.